and meaning of what we do in our daily lives. Knowing oneself and soul making, who are you, is the topic that throughout the process serves as a guidepost. Knowing oneself begins with consciousness. In order to start the process, it is necessary to realize and embrace one's truth, history, and understanding of existence. That's in essence, soul making is more than the soul's religious perspective. Soul refers to a person's individuality that resonates with his or her behavior. Since art is a human expression that is highly valued and symbolic, a person typically uses different art forms to fulfill the need to communicate and express him or herself. So, what are we doing in soul making? Art gives a person a sense of purpose about what he or she is doing. As any artwork is an expression of one's perception, feeling, emotions, and realities, the key to personal cultural growth is the process of creating such expression. Soul making in everyday life is a method that can be done through by anyone. As all are creative in their own right, it is not limited to the obviously artistic. It's just a matter of losing yourself in the art of viewing the world from a different perspective and detaching yourself from yourself. So let's go on with the categories of soul. First, we have the crafting image. Crafting image includes the production by various forms of methods or visual representation of images. When we say crafting images, dito na pumapasok yung mga tao na artistic. They are the one who create, let's say paintings, drawings, sketching, even sculpture, as long as it is a visual representation of how can they express themselves. So let's continue on crafting stories. He or she is already creating stories when an individual writes down his or her own personal feedback, life values, deep feelings, ideas, and even high and low emotions. When we say crafting stories, sila naman yung mga tao na writers. They are the one who express themselves through creative writing, through poets, even writing stories for a book, or even script writers sa mga movies. Especially yung mga they are the one who writes they are the one who express themselves through writing. So, next one. Crafting instruments. Crafting instruments are treated as a bridge to the unknown because the instrument creates sounds and exceeds our thoughts, emotions, and sensations. When we go on creating instruments naman, they are the one na hindi lang sila yung mga tao na naggagawa ng mga instruments natin. Pwede mo din silang bilangin as yung mga singers natin or yung, let's say, sa opera or letters, as long as they express themselves through creating sounds, yun nga, like sa mga singers, na-express nila yung self nila sa pagkanta, yung pagbibigay nila ng buhay sa mga kanta na minsan di ba na-feel natin kapag yung emotion sa kanta na kinakanta nila. Tapos, crafting movements. Our life is full of movements. It is full of different rhythms. Life is full of flowing images accompanied by narratives. And this melodic flow symbolizes how the universe gives every human being the ability to their respective lives to experience the highs and lows. So when it comes to crafting movement, sila naman yung mga dancers. They are the one who express themselves through dance, especially through body movements. Let's say yung halimbawa sa ano tawag doon?
Contemporary.
Yung, di ba meron tayo yung gagawin sana ni Azzy? Yun, for example, si Azzy natin, as a dancer, parang na-express niya yung sarili niya through that form, na naipapakita niya yung emotions niya, kung gano'n niya, kung gano'n niya, yung feelings, kung gusto yung pagsasabi.
Oh.
No?
Di may mga story din eh.
Oo, meron tawag dun sa form ng dance din. Ayun, interpretative.
Ayun, kasi hindi.
Kapag ano, yun, naiisip ko lang para sa akin more on interpretative dance. That's how they can express themselves through interpretative dances. Tapos, last naman is crafting techniques. Soul-making are the artist's reflection of his life and experiences in any piece of art. The approach preferably should be methodological. A soul-maker, though, when he executes his creative expression, is unbounded. So, this here naman sa crafting techniques. I guess, that's, ano na, sa'yo na pumapasok yun kung anong technique yung gusto mo gamitin sa pag-express mo ng sarili mo. Sa pag-express mo ng sarili mo sa iba, kung paano mo ipapakita yung artistic side mo. Through what form? Halimbawa, kagaya ng mga nabanggit kanina through visual representation, music, dance, and crafting stories sa mga writers. And hindi lang naman doon, sa mga forms na yun umiikot kasi there are madami pang ibang bagay na pwede mong gamitin or techniques para i-express yung sarili mo. Then, let's go on the 5 phases of soul. First is seeking. First step is seeking or finding. At this point, we recognize that each of us who are interested in our own growth and the way of our growth is a seeker. So, dito naman sa part na to, this is the first part where you parang hinahanap mo pala yung sarili mo kung you seek for yourself kung paano mo i-express yung sarili mo. Tapos, second is stepping. Soul-making is about communicating as profoundly as possible with the soul, with other human and non-human beings, and the world. We must find ourselves settled at some point in our lives. So, para sa akin lang, for my own definition, after you seek for yourself, dito na pumapasok yung pag-settle mo sa bagay na yun. Halimbawa, I'll count myself as an example. I seek to express myself through arts, through paintings and drawings and stuff. Basta related sa arts. Tapos sa second part naman is sa setting. This is where you settle for that point of your life where you already seek what you want. Wala. Ayun, diba? Nasip mo lang ano gusto mo. Ay, let's say, painting. Tapos, isasettle mo na yung sarili mo doon. Para papalawakan mo na yung knowledge mo about doon. Then, next, surrender. If it is permitted to surrender, with all its pain and vulnerability, something magical will happen. We tend to know in the midst of the crashing that our activities begin to be in the service of the soul. After you settle for that thing that you want to do, this is where you surrender yourself. Di ba kapag magsasettle tayo, di ba wala lang? Halimbawa na lang, nag-settle na ako dun sa gusto ko na yun. Nasig ko na yung sarili ko na gusto ko, andito ako sa painting and art stuff through visual representation of myself. Then, nag-settle ako doon, pinag-aralan ko. Then, surrender ko na yung sarili ko para for me to be able to focus on that thing. Then after, at some point in the variation between the setting and surrender, both polarities, we begin to perceive our practice in life in the universe as soul being.
Naka 13 na.
How can you say? Parang kapag sa soul making na, dito mo na isa-surrender yung self mo. Sorry.
Okay lang ba sa ko? Sige ko.
So, sa sorry naman, we begin the journey. What we most wish is to soar. To conquer our worldly experiences, material realities to come. So, yun na. Continue na yung journey mo. Okay, next. Art vision. What is art vision? Art vision occurs when an artist collaborates with a brand to create a product, service, concept, or piece for the benefit of both parties and society as a whole. Art fusion comes in various combinations of products with paintings or collection of products to be used for the medium of art. Art fusion is also an art that would represent different way of showing one's culture and tradition. So let's focus on the first definition. It says that art fusion occurs when an artist collaborates with a brand to create a product or service. So kapag sinabi mo yun, dito na papasok yung halimbawa, ako as an artist, may collaborate ako sa ibang brand to create another brand with the concept of my artistic side. Halimbawa, merong brand A na nagtitinda sila ng bags, then me as an artist, makikipag-collaborate ako sa kanya. Then, halimbawa, ngayon kasi, nowadays, naubos na yung mga, halimbawa na lang, tote bags na may art prints. So, that is one of the example of art fusion. The second naman is, art fusion comes in various combination of products with paintings or collection of products to be used for the medium of art. Hindi lang naman na dun sa sinabi ko kanina, meron din ibang mga bagay na makakonsider natin as art fusion. Actually, art fusion, nag-start na siya dati pa sa mga ninuno natin. So, dati pala na-practice na yung art fusion. Ayun nga, nabanggit dito sa third definition na Yun nga. So, magbibigay ako mamaya ng mga examples that makikita niyo. So, next na. Ito. As early as the 1930s, fine artists and fashion designers were the first to engage in art fusion. A well-planned collaboration can have many positive effects on the brand. It can bring innovation and create feelings of excitement and generate new interest in organic brands. Art still has the power to influence the society's capacity to grow and evolve. Art fiction can be used to recreate, invent a brand, and market it to a new generation of audience or customer. So, I'll give you some example na lang about that. So, ito. For some point of view, me as a marketing student, nag-aaral ako as marketing student. So, I can take advantage of art fusion para magpakilala ng bagong brand. Hindi lang sa magpakilala, halimbawa, mayroong brand na sumikat dati, then hindi naman siya sa i-brand mo siya para magkakaroon ka lang ng another way para may pakilala mo ulit yung brand na yun to our new generation. Since, halimbawa na lang na yung brand na yun is napagdipasa na ng panahon, so, gagawa tayo ng bagong gagawa tayo ng paraan para ipakilala ulit siya sa generation natin ngayon. Yun nga sinasabi kanina, art still has the power to influence the society's capacity to grow and evolve. And it can bring innovation and create feelings of excitement. Yun na lang, ano po magandang example dito? Diba? Yung sana, sa bayo natin, I'm sure na alam mo na din yung about nito, pero gusto ko lang siyang gawin example. Diba meron tayong mga bayong na hindi lang, secret na bang lista ba yun?
Yung nagpa-fashion model.
Oo. Kasi diba meron siyang, hindi na brand?
Wala nag-aano lang.
Alam
Parang
ko,
model siya.
Hindi, ginawa niya yun ng branding, yung bayo, tapos nagko-customize siya ng page.
Oo, yung
Yun.
bag.
Oo, yun ang example. Ito ba sa'yo? Ayun, that is another way to yun din yung another way para i-promote yung art fusion. Ito na, sa example. So, eto, uso to dati. Or sa kasi. Basta yan. At yung alam niyo yung Nike shoes, tapos kasi sa ibang bansa, not sure kung dito din sa bansa natin. Parang nauso sa kanila yung pag-custom made ng Nike shoes. Halimbawa, for example na lang sa mga animes, ito. Ito yan. So, na-try ko na siya actually dati, pero hindi sa sapatos. Bag din siya. Na-try ko na yung, kasi obvious na siya, hindi na siya ginagamit. So, I want to put something on that bag para maging presentable ulit siya. Then, halimbawa, ayun na nga. Yun, dapat yung nabanggit kanina na it creates a sense of feeling of excitement. Kasi, nung nagawa ko yung bagay ngayon, yun nga, yung tote bag, hindi na nga siya nagagamit. So, ginawa ko dahil wala akong yung imagination talaga. Dahil yun, isa,
Feeling of excitement.
dahil gusto ko siya gamitin ulit. Kasi ang boring niya as in my cam. So, naghahanap ako ng reference online. Since nagpe-painting naman ako, okay naman. So, tinry ko siya isang beses. Then, ayun ang ganda nung kinalabasan niya. Ginawa ko din dati, anime ata. Sa ginaya ko, tapos ayun, ang ganda ng kinalabasan. Tapos ayun, na-excite ako, so ginawa ko siya sa labas, yun, gano'n ako sa'yo. Ang ganda na talaga. Kasi, hindi lang sa sapatos actually, kasi pwede mo din siyang gamitin sa mga yun, nasa dito, sa bayong bags.
Yung denim din. Sa denim.
Oh, yun! Maganda din yun yung sa denim. Ako din ako din. Madami na din akong nakikita ng gano'n. Yung denim jacket, hindi rin sa denim jacket set, pati sa denim pants. Parang pinipainted nila. Nakagawa din ako ng gano'n. So, yung pinsan ko, nagtatanong siya sa akin kung kaya ba daw. Kasi meron din akong textile paint sa bahay. So, yun, tinry ko yun sa shorts na maong pants na hanggang dito. So, ganda lang yung kinalabasan kasi para, alam mo yung kapag nagpapa-custom-made din ng prints sa mga,
Parang
vinyl, ayun. Yung kinalabasan niya parang vinyl style yung